Okay everyone, we're doing an outside view of a Belanger Kondor KL2 at the Shell gas station in Aurora. I was attempting to get a wash by using the air miles, but for some reason they couldn't do that. So we're just going to do an outside view, and plus I want you to take a look at the dryer timer anyways, because at the end of the dryer time, I read a review before we came here saying that they got 22 seconds of a dryer time for some reason. So I'm going to take a look. A really huge leak here on the top of the machine. I'm not sure if you can see it. This machine started to be in like poorly maintained shape. It replaced a laser wash 4000, by the way. This is actually for all this Belanger Kondor KL2 at the Shell, because the other ones I filmed is like brand new sort of thing, like the one in New Market. Yeah, the whole machine is really shaking a lot. It's coming back. Let's see what he gets, probably for tri-foam. Yep, for tri-foam. Oh, dual coupler foam. The third color didn't work, and it's still a little bit of a weak coverage because it didn't get the back. You see what he... Yeah, it's like... He's doing for high pressure rinse already. Still a little bit of a leak on the top, which is great for pressure. Like you can see, I'm not sure if you can see the leak. Not sure what. Let's see what the pressure is in the upper arm. Looks like it's surprisingly really bit good. Managed to get the soap off the car except that one on the mirrors and that on the window. I think he got the ultimate wash over the deluxe wash. Yep, the ultimate wash due to the lava shield. And let me see if there's any yellow LED lights. No, there's not. No yellow LED lights that it used to be lava, which is really odd. Yeah, it's doing enough for medium high pressure rinse pass, which is still leaving a little bit of soap. And then for surface, then for final rinse, which is going to be for clear coat protective. Yeah, it does not show on the sign. But yeah, the sign, if it's red, it's burned out, I think anyways. I think the dryer time is going to start up, so let's go to the dryer time and see how many seconds of dryer time he has. Can see around his truck. "52 seconds of... Can't tell how many seconds of a dryer time it is. Which is really weird. Yeah, I think yeah, she's definitely hurried through the dryer, so I think she ran out of dryer time. Not enough, exactly. Yeah, that's 22 seconds of dryer time right there. So yeah, that would be